I am Muninder. I am here to explain about my Tableau Capstone project. Data source. This data source I am taken from the Kaggle datasets. This datasets I chosen is about the suicide rates overview. We have the link over here to download the dataset. I found some of the problem statements like country-wise population and country-wise suicides. We can find a age factor, differentiate between the suicides between the age factors, generation-wise suicides, yearly analysis among the population and suicides, comparing GDP of country over the suicide rates. I have visualized the problem statements with the different charts. First map chart. This map chart shows the suicides count of the particular country, and color distinction shown to every country. Coming to the next, this is the lollipop chart. This chart gives details about the suicide rates according to the age factor, and we can filter as well through the females and males. Packet bubble chart. Packet bubble chart represents the countries and its population. When you hover over the particular country, it shows the tooltip with great explanation. This is the combination chart. Have two metrics that are population and suicides, and comparing with one dimension, that is year. It can shows the yearly population and suicide rates. This coming to the next line chart. Line chart is gives information about the generation wise suicides. uh, Gives clarified information. When we hover over the line chart, it gives the tooltip with great explanation. Next, coming to the scatter plotter chart. This scatter plot chart shows the information about suicide rates and the GDP across the year as per the country wise. You use a dynamic axis title for the chart, and I have used it to create one parameter for that, because of comparing with different population per population, and suicides per population and suicide per 100k population. This is the dashboard. Dashboard consists of charts. All the charts I have created, and it is very user interactive because of the parameters and filters and highlighters. I use it in the dashboard. Uh, User can get information as per his requirements. If he wants the particular country details and suicide rates and if you want any particular country and age wise suicides, he will get the information about the particular country. Coming to the next, story narration with the data. I arranged the charts within the order to narrate a story while explaining to someone. The storytelling is nothing but quick process of explaining all the visuals in one sheet. Conclusion. I have coming to the conclusion. What is the use of this analysis? Means I have analyzed the data through which every problem statement I found one solution. We can get knowledge to prevent the suicides rates by knowing which country has the highest suicide rates, and thereby in that country we can conduct any inspirational lectures, and we can control the suicide rates, and we can found some of the age factor wise suicides, and we can conduct some motivational to that particular ages, and we can reduce the suicide rates in the upcoming yearly in the upcoming year. We can control the suicide rates by conducting some motivational and inspirational lectures through which country has highest rates and which country has highest age wise suicides. We can found them. This is the motto of doing the data analysis. We can found solutions from the problem statements. Every problem statement we found some solutions, and we through that solutions we can find some answers to reduce the suicide rates in particular country and in particular region also. Thank you. Coming to my project file, this is my Tableau project file. We can see charts and coming to this is the dashboard. We can see all charts are lying in one thing. This is the dashboard. If you want particular country details, if you want Australia, when you hover over the Australia has 70,000 something suicides count. If you want to click Australia, it shows Australia's population, its age-wise suicides. Coming to age-wise suicide, it shows Australia there are 5 to 14 years age-wise suicides 320 count. According to this chart, everything you use it to filter. When we coming to the suicides and GDP, when you hover over this, Australia has suicide numbers with GDP per capita income. GDP per capita income in the Australia, we can see, we can filter as per our requirements. Okay, thank you.